Hi everyone, this is a short video on how to replace the thermostat housing on a 2.7 diesel. The video shows it being done onto a Jaguar S-Type, but the Landrover and the Range Rover are identical. Please note the location where the thermostat housing is to go, and the pipe standing up at the back. You'll need to firmly press the housing down onto that. You'll see later in the video. And also note the location of the air intake housing. Right, well there's the bad boy that needs to be fitted. When you offer it up, as I said previously, it needs to be pushed onto the pipe at the back firmly. You can see me doing it there. Okay. Now bolting it into place, just loosely to start with, all 4 bolts. As you can see, just finger tight to start with. I know it's been mentioned, but these are 8mm bolts, by the way. Right, you can see now a bit tighter now with the ratchet. I'm going diagonally across the item. And then one final check to make sure it's down tight once this last one's done. Okay, now offering up the 3 pipes. Use the large one at the bottom first, just so you can get easy access to the clip. Note that there's a small gap at the front of it. That's normal. It doesn't go on all the way. Press the clip down. Just give it a tug, check it's in place. When this clip's finally in place, don't allow it to finish with a clip part at the top because it gets in the way. And you'll see in a minute that I turn it through 90 degrees to the 3 o'clock position. See, I've left it at 12 o'clock there. Or turning it actually, just to show you. And then turning it now to the 3 o'clock position, because trust me, it gets in the way otherwise. As with removal, nothing big or clever about this, just wiggle it around until it pops into place. Now, offer up its securing bolt, but don't tighten down fully, leave it some movement. You'll see in a second why. As you offer up the other two pipes, you might need a little bit of movement there. So that's not even finger tight at that point, it's very loose. Slide your clip electrical connector back on and then clip the other one into place. Now this is the fun part. And these clips are the devil's own job to put back together. In the past I've successfully done it on my own, but in this particular case I needed a third hand. Quite frankly, no better the other side, needed a third hand again. Maybe there's a specialist tool out there to do that job, but I've no idea what it is. There we go. Next it's the clamps, 8mm again. One for each pipe. Don't forget now, with the 10mm, to tighten down the housing bolt. Okay, now we'll offer up the air intake housing. Now note with a spring clip, the lugs point inwards. Just match it up with the grooves on the housing and it almost falls into place. Once you've got it in the grooves, it almost grabs it. Like that. And then it's locked into place. Now don't forget your two electrical connectors that were disconnected on the first video. Like I say, impossible to mix them up. Now the pipe with the Jubilee clip. Almost done. Now the bolt that holds the air intake housing in place, you'll note it's in line with the clip that holds the return pipe, the expansion tank. Yeah, tighten now with an 8mm socket. It's just enough room to get in there. As I say, it's in line with that clip. Just put my hand over. Yeah, there you go. You can see the socket now working on it. Okay, job done. Engine cover back on, and then all you're left to do is fill it with coolant again. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you found this useful.